and you would usually go for someone who's not that good, yabo, ongekho good mhlambe njengawe or below you, whatever. So Thandeka ngibone this girl uyarehearsa lapha ekhoneni wayihamba nenye intombazana uthumba ubusiness. Actually ngifuna ungena naye yabo, because she's got that energy and I want something to feed. I want something that I can feed off from. And that's how I met Thandeka, to cut the story short. And so auditiona besingena ngama partners bekuthi mekuthiwa next singene soba u2, and me and Thandeka have been friends since. Thandeka is the first friend I had from an outside world. Ngihleze ngithi umngani wami oqala empilweni yami yokuba umuntu omdala. And we were touring, we toured to Magaliesburg. And we were